Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of Astro A50 node connecting to PC. How to connect Astro A50 to PC. Okay. So guys, we are going to discuss by each step. Okay. So first is check hardware issue. Try connecting your Astro 50 headset to different USB port on your PC. Test your Astro A50 headset on another computer to determine if the issue with the headset itself. Okay. Second is set your microphone as a default. Right click on a speaker icon in the taskbar and select sound. Go to recording tab in the sound window. Locate your Astro A50 headset, right click on it and set it as the default recording devices. Okay. So guys, our third step is update audio driver on your PC. Press window key plus X, select device manager, expand the sound video and the game controller section. Right click on your audio driver and select update driver. Okay, follow the on screen instruction to update driver. Okay guys, so guys, our fourth step is reset your Astro A50 headset when connecting it to PC. Ensure your headphones are turned on by placing them dock until charging light appear. Press and power button to turn them on. Okay, locate the Dolby button on the left side of your headphones and hold it down. Find game button on the outer edge of the ear cup and hold it down as well. Hold both buttons simultaneously at least for 15 seconds to initiate the reset process. Your headphone will reboot the automatically once reset. Okay. So guys, our fifth step is disconnect and reconnect Astro A50 on your PC. Disconnecting. Gently unplug the USB cable or optical cable connecting to Astro A50 headset to your PC. If using the wireless connection, turn off headset or remove the USB wireless transmitter from your PC. Reconnecting from a wired connection, plug the USB cable or optical cable back into the appropriate port on your PC. If using a wireless connection, turn on your Astro A50 headset or reinsert the USB wireless transmitter into your PC. Okay. So guys, this is our all step. Thanks guys. Having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.